Hey y'all, this is very much an impromptu video because I'm so impressed with my BoxyCharm, my Boxy Luxe this month that I wanted to share it with you guys. And I'm trying to figure out a good way to do it that is not super formal because YouTube, you guys don't really check for it, but there's so much good stuff in here that I have to share. So here's the box. I don't want this video to be too long because I don't have that much space on my phone, child. Anyway, here's the box. It is the Luxe box, so this is, I think, 50 something dollars every quarter. Well worth it in my opinion, and I do think that I am going to go ahead and stick with BoxyCharm rather than Ipsy. I've been debating for years, and so Ipsy just went up on their prices, and for me they're just not giving on a consistent basis like BoxyCharm is, so I've decided that I think I'm going to cancel that. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this because I don't have all that time. So I got this Wishful Honey Balm Moisturizer, Jelly Moisturizer. This is Huda Beauty, the makeup lady. This is her brand. I'm always into trying a new moisturizer, so I'm excited to get that. That retails for, I don't know, $43. So a great steal, already as much as the box is worth. Then I also got this Day Cactus Leave-In Conditioner. Calms frizz, softens and hydrates, protects hair from breakage. This is also a heat protectant up to 450 degrees. This actually smells amazing. So I'm actually excited to try this on my hair because it smells really, really good. This one retails for $26. The next thing in here is this LMS clarifying clay wash skin clearing facial wash. This, I think it retails for $49, so that's about the cost of the box in total. So you're already getting your cost per like your value out of your cost, in my opinion. The next thing in here is this Keys Soul Care Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. I really like to have glowy skin, summer, winter, spring, or fall. It doesn't matter for me. I like for my skin to look healthy, moisturized, and plumped. So this is really nice. I think this was one of my choice items, and I picked this. This was retails for $26. So it'll be a primer that you could put on before you put on your makeup. The next item I have in here is this Patrick Ta what is this? Patrick Ta Beauty Major Glow Lip Shine. Y'all, this color, baby, this color is so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm really into lip gloss, especially in the spring and summer, because I feel like it's really simple, easy going. But this color, girl, look at that. And the packaging is amazing too. So really, really nice. Can't wait to try that. That retails for $22. Next, I am a little peeved about this, and I'm probably going to reach out to BoxyCharm about this. This is the NARS lipstick in Pour Toujours, and it's a matte shade. It's a really nice soft pink. I think this was my other choice, but look at that. It's kind of like ate up. It looks like they like rolled it up or something, so I'm going to reach out to them for that. To see if they'll replace that or not. But I love the color. I think it's really pretty. I love NARS products. Very luxe, very nice. This lipstick retails for $26. That's going to be a really cute color. It's almost similar to kind of what I have on right now. Put on a little bit of liner and then put that Patrick Ta gloss on top. That would be so, so pretty. The next thing that I have in here, this is the Uve Beauty BU Limited Collection. This is some makeup sponges. You get 3 full-size sponges and 3 minis in here. I love this because it's like all the colors. It's like the rainbow colors. So here are the 3 minis, and then here are the 3 full sizes. The yellow, the orange, and the red. They're super, super soft. Very, it definitely reminds me of the Beauty Blender in how they're not dense at all. It's very porous. And so I really, really like that. I love that it's in all the different colors. I just love color and I love stuff like that. So I really, really like that. Now this does retail for $65, which I do think is pretty pricey. But if you were to compare it to a beauty blender, those are $20 a pop. So 3 beauty blenders would be $60. You know what I'm saying? So I guess if they're comparing the prices to beauty blenders, it's comparable. I do love the colors. I love that I got it in here. I'm grateful for that. Would I buy it? probably not. Maybe. I don't know. It's 99% bacteria free, though. I think they're going to be great. And then last but certainly not least is the Beauty Bakery Cotton Candy Champagne Blush Palette. And I am so excited about this because, first of all, look at the packaging. Just look at the packaging. This is, when I pulled this out, I was like, okay, I have to share this box because this box is so, so nice. The packaging on this is so good. Beauty Bakery is a black-owned makeup brand, as you guys know, and I just love everything. I love the theme of her makeup and all of that, and I just love everything about it. Her highlighters are beautiful. This one right here has, look at these colors, and they're very, very shimmery. I cannot wait to try this. I love a shimmery blush because for me it serves both purposes. I don't have to do highlighter and blush. I could just do one step. It's kind of like what I have on right now. I just have on blush that has a sheen to it, so it's giving my skin that shimmer, and not having to highlight separately. So that's it, y'all. I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought that this month's box was very, very well worth the price that it is monthly. And I love getting them, and I use all of the products that I get out of BoxyCharm on such a consistent basis that I thought it was worth sharing to you guys and letting you know that I do think I'm going to go ahead and stick with Boxy and nix the Ipsy. So that's it, guys. I love y'all. Thank y'all for chatting with me, and thank you for watching. Bye.